Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I am going to be doing an update on a handbag that I painted a few years ago. So I would say about 3.5 years ago, I painted this YSL bag that was distressed. I bought it online for cheap. I would say like $300. And I just painted it, transformed it, and I showed a video on YouTube. That is till this day my most viewed video. I wanted to come back here and do a 3-year update to show you guys how the bag has held out. I have not painted the bag since that video and I have not done any touch-ups, so this is going to be a very honest showcasing of the bag 3 years later. Before we start, I want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of fashion and hair videos. I'm going to be launching very soon my very own online thrift store called Serene & Belle. It is a store where I'm going to be sharing quality products that I like, or just items that I have that I like. I'm going to be selling them at a really good and affordable price. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, go on ahead and follow me for any updates. Okay, so this is the bag. I really want to focus on showing you guys all the details. If you notice, it really does look painted. I would say, yeah, over here there's like a little chip. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I have worn this bag like 7 times since I painted it. No one noticed that it was painted. Like, I actually got a lot of compliments for it. I do see some of like the paint streaks here at the bottom, so let me just zoom in for you guys. But yeah, I can see in here some of the paint streaks. It's just more noticeable in this area. Maybe you guys are not able to see it on camera, but in person it's more noticeable. And then here on the logo, there's like little pieces of paint all throughout the logo. I actually had issues with the bag because of the strap. The strap would actually come out if I had too many stuff in there, so I would constantly have to like pull the bag from the bottom. The straps like would snap off whenever I would put just a little bit too much. Like one of them would fall and then it'll be like a whole situation. So I have been wearing this more as a wallet purse. Let me just show you guys the inside of the bag. This is the first flap. When I use this bag, I would mainly use the first compartment space, and you can actually see some like pen marks in the corner. I never really use the credit card slots. I mainly use the big compartment space, and I used this zipper space. Okay, so let me focus on the hardware. I would say this still looks very good despite of me constantly using the zipper space. And then this is the hardware. Right here, I lost a little bit of paint, but overall this bag really took the color well. Let me see in here. This is good. I would say it still looks pretty good 3 years later. I'm gonna do a paint scratching test. Ready? Okay, ready. Not a lot of nail, but still. No paint coming out. No paint coming out. I'm gonna do it again. Ready? So the area where I would say there was the most discoloration and where the paint just kept chipping would be on the strap. Let me just zoom in for you. Okay guys, so I had to come back and do an outro for this video because I lost some of my footage. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my 3-year update on my YSL bag. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.